Hello, my dear fifth class children. Yesterday we have completed some exercise from the textbook, and today we are going to do the remaining exercise. Amma, open the textbook. If you have textbook with you, open textbook. Open the textbook. Page number 24. Children, yesterday we have completed some exercises from the textbook, and today we are going to do the remaining exercises. Open textbook. Okay, page number 24. Multiple choice questions also there. Okay, already we have completed some blanks, true or false and matching. Still some more okay, exercises also there. Okay, multiple. Now we are going to discuss multiple choice questions. Page number 24. The first question is fish used while swimming. Okay, here they given options legs, hands, fins and wings. Okay, which is the correct option here? Fish used while swimming. I will show the textbook. Okay, see here. Yes, it is clear. Is it clear? Yes. Okay, fish use while swimming. Fishes use fins for swimming. Okay, you have to keep the option D. Fish use fins for swimming. Okay, go to the next question. The water boatman, that is the insect name. The water boatman uses its legs as oar. Okay, children. Second question, see, the water boatman uses its legs as oars. Oar means used to row a boat. Boatman uses a row, no children, to move the boat. Okay, so like that, water boatman, one insect, uses its legs as oars. Option D correct only. Now third question, see, which of the following is not a freshwater habitat? Ocean. Okay, remaining lakes, ponds, okay, and river, these are all the freshwater habitat. Ocean is the salt water habitat. So what is the question? Which of the following is not a freshwater habitat? Freshwater found in the lakes, rivers and ponds, but they given here oceans. So not a freshwater habitat, not a freshwater habitat. So ocean is the right answer. Now next question, see, fifth question. Animals migrate. Okay, some of the animals migrate. The seasonal movement of birds and animals from one place to another is called migration. No. Okay, why do animals migrate? Okay, in search of food and in search of shelter and to escape harsh weather. Okay, na? Animals migrate. They cannot bear the cold climate, extreme cold climate. That's why they come to India. They visit to India. Okay, here they have to search the better place for laying eggs. Okay, now after eggs are laying, eggs hatch out and young ones come out. After complete the winter season, they have to go back to their original places. So animals migrate in search of food, in search of shelter and to escape ruthless weather. All of the above. Which is the correct option? All the above. Option D is the correct. Option D is the correct answer. Okay, now fish use fins for swimming. Option D correct, amma. Okay, fishes use fins. A pairs of fins are present along the sides of the body. So fish use fins for swimming. Okay, fish use tail. Okay, for swimming in the water. Okay, na, particularly fish use fins for swimming in the water. Fish use tail for swimming in the water, while change the direction while swimming in the water. Fishes use tail, okay, swimming in the water. Particularly they change the direction while swimming in the water with the help of tail. So fish use fins for swimming. Okay, option D correct only. The water boatman, this is the insect name. Water boatman uses its legs as oar to push water back. Okay na, with the help of row. Okay na, boatmen na, water boatmen use the row, no children. Okay na, to push water back and to move forward. Like that, water boatmen inside use a oars. Okay na, as oars. Okay, as legs. Okay, water boatman uses its legs as oars. Option D correct. Okay, third question. Which are the following animals is not a carnivore? Not a carnivore. Okay, lion is the carnivore, cat is the carnivore, kite is the carnivore. What is the right option? Man, not a carnivore. Man is the omnivore. Okay, option D. Okay, now option D. Okay, now fourth question. Which are the following is not a freshwater habitat? Where did you find the freshwater, amma? Freshwater found in the lakes, rivers, okay, and wells and ponds, no children. So ocean is the salt water. Ocean water is salty. Okay, na. So what is the question? Not a freshwater habitat. Ocean. Okay na, option D. Okay na, next fifth question. Animals migrate because in search of food, in search of shelter, to escape harsh weather. Okay, option D. All of these. Option D only. Okay, now go to blanks. Okay, next exercise, blanks. Same page number 24 only. They given 5 blanks, amma. Okay, first blank. Fishes take in oxygen. Fish take oxygen. Already oxygen dissolved in the water. Fish is the aquatic animal. Fish take oxygen from the atmosphere or from the water? From the water only. Fish take oxygen from the water. Right, first answer. Water. Fish take oxygen. They too need oxygen for breathing only. Without oxygen they cannot live like us. Okay, fish take oxygen from the water through the mouth. Okay na, and next question. Carnivorous animals like lion and tiger have sharp pointed canine teeth to tear the flesh. Okay na. So carnivorous animals have sharp and pointed what type of teeth they have for tearing the flesh? Canines. Canines are long, sharp and pointed teeth. Okay na. They are very long and sharp. Okay na. Those are called canines. What is the use of canines? Canines help the lion and tiger to tear the flesh of other animals. So second blank, see here second blank, carnivorous animals have very sharp and pointed canines. Okay, canines are well developed to carnivorous animals. Canines are well developed to carnivorous animals to tear the flesh. Okay, they kill the other animals with the help of sharp teeth. Okay, for killing other animals, for hunting other animals, they have to use their sharp teeth, canines. Okay, next question, third question is frog. Frog is the amphibian. Frog sometimes they live in the water. Okay, most of the time they live in the water only. Sometimes they spend on the land. Okay, frog is living in the water as well as on the land. That's why that is called amphibian. Okay na, they live a double life. Okay na, they play a double life. A frog breathe through its moist skin. Why? Because most of the time they spend in the water only. That's why frog breathe through its moist skin. Third question, right? Moist skin. Okay, moist skin. Now fourth question. Snakes are dash reptiles. You know that snakes do not have legs. Okay, are they have limbs? Limbs means arms and legs. Okay, snakes are limbless. They don't have arms. They don't have legs. But how can they crawl? How can they move on the land? They have scales on their body. They have plates on the they have plates underside of the body which help them to move on the any surface of the road or land. Okay, and they also have very strong muscles and a flexible backbone. Okay, now they too are vertebrates. They too have very flexible backbone. Okay, that's why they can move on any surface of the land very fast. So snakes are limbless. They don't have legs. They don't have arms. So snakes are limbless reptile. Okay, snakes are limbless. Limb, limb, less, less, limbless reptile. Snakes are limbless reptiles. Okay, now they have to move with the help of scales. Okay, and see here, snakes are limbless reptile. Okay, next fifth question. Turtles and tortoise have short limbs, paddle-like limbs. Those are called flippers. Okay, and turtles and tortoise have short limbs, short hands and legs. Those are called flippers. Okay, now so turtles have short, very short, short paddle-like limbs are called flippers. Paddle-like limbs are called flippers. 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 Okay, now so turtles and tortoise have paddle like, four paddle like. Okay, two arms, two legs, no children. So tortoise have four paddle like limbs. Turtle also have four paddle like limbs. Okay, those limbs are very broad. Limbs are very broad. Those are called flippers. Okay, now to push water back and swim. So turtles use four paddle-like limbs for swimming. Those paddle-like limbs are called flippers. Okay, turtles use four paddle-like limbs are called flippers to push water back and swim in the water. Is it clear? Okay, how many limbs they have? They have four paddle-like limbs. Four paddle-like limbs, and okay, those paddle-like limbs are called flippers. Okay, turtles have four paddle-like limbs. Those paddle-like limbs are called flippers. Write carefully for movement. Next, page number 25. Page number 25 open. Page number 25. Matching is there. Okay, matching. Okay, page number 25. Matching is there, amma. Okay, fish. Fish, yes, fish breathes. Fish breathe through its gills. Option C. How do fishes breathe, amma? Fishes breathe through gills. Now, frog. Frog jump with the help of hind limbs. Frog use back legs for hopping and jumping. Okay, now kangaroo use hind limbs for hopping. Frog use hind limbs for jumping on the land. Okay, frog use hind limbs for jump. B. And horses use all four limbs for running. Okay, option D. And snakes. Snakes are reptiles without legs. E. Option E. Now fifth question. Tortoise covered with a hard shell. A. Okay, I will show you matching, amma. See here, fish. Okay, fishes breathe through its gills. And see here, frog. Frog, amma, see, frog jump with hind limbs. Now horses. Horses have four limbs. Horses have four limbs for running. Okay, snakes. Snakes are reptiles without legs. Snakes are reptiles without legs. Okay, and tortoise body covered with a hard shell. Okay, those who did not have textbook, enter these. Is it clear? Okay, here one activity zone is there, amma. Here one activity zone is there. Okay, take pencil and circle these words, Amma. Here they given some questions. See, in the crossword below, mark the following. Page number 25. First question, see. First question, see. Dolphin breathes through its. Dolphin is the water animal, even though it breathes through lungs. Dolphin is the biggest mammal. Okay, na? Dolphin and whale, biggest mammals. How do they breathe? They breathe through the lungs. Right lungs. Next question, see. Fish use it for breathing. Fishes use it for gills for breathing. Okay, all these words are in this puzzle only. You have to collect those words. Okay, you have to check this word is there or not. Next, prevent water loss in snakes, scales. Next, see page number 26. Page number 26. A herbivore, rabbit. Herbivore is the rabbit. They given rabbit in that puzzle. Air hole on a cockroach body. Okay, a cockroach's body. Cockroaches also breathes like other animals, but cockroaches breathe through spiracles. A air hole on a cockroach's body is called spiracle. Spiracles. Spiracles. Okay, this is the lesson number 2, Amma. 1, 2, 3 lessons, explanation, textbook also completed, Amma. Okay, tomorrow I will tell you lesson number 4, textbook. Okay, lesson number 4. Okay, tomorrow I will send lesson number 3, question and answers. Today you have to read lesson number 3, textbook. Okay, see you later. Bye.